Hey there! If your Samsung phone's 5G isn't working, don't stress. I'm going to walk you through some steps to help you get that 5G connection back up and running on your device. Let's dive right in. First, open your phone's dialer. Type in **4636#***. Tap on Phone Info. Scroll down the page. Toggle off mobile radio power. Then turn it back on. After that, make sure to enable the 5G option on your Samsung phone. Open your phone settings. Tap on Connections. Then choose Mobile Network. Go to Network mode. Pick 5G/LTE/23. If that option is already selected, choose 3G only. Next, turn on airplane mode for about 30 seconds. Once you have waited, switch it off and reselect 5G/LTE/23. Solution 1. Eject and reinsert your SIM card. Before starting, double-check that your SIM card is 5G compatible. After that, power down your phone. Take out the SIM tray using the pin provided, usually located at the bottom of your phone. Remove the SIM card from the tray. Give it a moment's rest. Reinsert the SIM card into the tray. Then, slide the tray back into the phone. If the issue persists, let's move on to the next solution. Solution 2. Update your phone software. First, open Settings. Then, tap Software Update. Follow any prompts to update your phone software. Solution 3. Reset all settings. Go into your phone settings. Scroll down the list. Tap on General Management. Scroll down again. Choose Reset. Find and tap Reset all settings. Confirm by tapping Reset Settings. Then, select Reset to confirm. Let your phone complete the reset process. That's it. I hope one of these solutions works for you. If you have any more questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching.